Alright, friends, here we're gonna draw a cat.
Yeah, we're going to draw Bartleby from what show?
True.
Yeah, True and the Rainbow Kingdom?
Yeah.
Yeah. We hope you're going to follow along with us. You need your drawing supplies. In this lesson, we're using markers, and we also have some marker paper. You're very talented. Let's first draw his nose right in the middle of our paper. And we're going to draw a little letter V. That's really big. I should have drawn it small. Yes, but that's okay. We'll keep it small. We're going to draw the top. And then let's also draw the mouth. We're going to draw a smile underneath. Yeah, there you go. And then we're going to draw that same curve, but under it. Right next to it. And then on each side, we're going to curve and connect to the other line. Yes, good job.
Thank you.
All right, now we're ready to draw the eyes. We're going to draw two big circles. We're going to draw, whoa.
Well, that's big.
We're going to draw a big circle there. And then we're also going to draw a big circle over here to match. These eyes are huge. I like how big you drew yours.
Yeah.
Those are awesome. Okay, now let's draw the pupils and iris inside. We're going to draw it right next to the big circle that we already drew. Yeah, inside this big circle, but towards the inside of that circle. And then we're going to do the same thing, but towards... Yeah, you drew it on the right side, and then I kind of drew my eyes like they're cross-eyed. But I like yours because it's going to look like Bartleby's looking to the right. Yeah, just like that. Now let's draw the inside circle, or a pupil. Yeah, and we're going to do that over here too. Then let's color in that small circle. Now we're ready to draw his head. We're going to draw a big upside down U, but watch this. I'm going really close to the eyes on each side. And then down here, we're going to draw a curve. It's not very big. See how it's almost kind of a straight line coming across? Yeah. And then we can draw his eyebrows. We'll draw a little curve right here and a little curve over here. What's he missing up here?
Ears.
Yeah, his ears. Let's draw it upside down, letter V for one ear and also for the other ear. Now we also need to draw the whiskers, but let's add those later. Now let's add the body. And we're going to draw a tall letter U right under his chin. And then we're going to draw two more tall letter U's, but these are really skinny. And this is for his legs. We're going to draw one that comes down really far. And then another one right next to it that's the same size. Yes. Now let's draw his arms. We're going to start by drawing a letter V, but a sideways letter V. We're going to start right about here. We'll come out and then back in. Yeah, and then let's draw that same letter V on the other side. Okay, this is the inside of his arms. Now let's draw the outside.
It looks like little arms.
These do look like little arms. Let's make them a little bit bigger. We're going to draw another sideways V, but look, this one doesn't touch. Yeah, and then right here at the end, we're going to draw his paw sticking out. And then let's do the same thing on the other side. We have one more thing to draw. What are we missing?
The tail.
The tail. Let's start right here next to his paw. We're going to draw a curve coming down and out to the right. And then we're going to draw that same curve right next to it, but a little ways away so that his tail is thick. Oh yeah, and you already curved it? I'm going to do that too. We'll curve and connect. And we did it. We finished drawing Bartleby, except we still need to
color it.
Yes. This part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video to match your same coloring. You ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
Olivia, we did it. We finished coloring Bartleby. He looks awesome. Except we're not completely done. We could do a couple more things to our drawing. Now, one of the things I really like about True and the Rainbow Kingdom is how they do the eyes.
Yeah.
So let's first start with a black colored pencil, and I just have this one. So I'll do it first and then share it with you. So I'm going to press hard at the top, or firm, so it's really dark, but then on the sides, I'm going to get lighter and then stop. So I don't color the black all the way down to the bottom. They just have the light blue showing at the very bottom of the eye. And then I'll do the same thing over here. This part is a little tricky, but I bet you can do it. Start really dark at the top and then lighter towards the sides, or when we're going down. Do you want to do that?
Yeah.
And while you're doing that, I'm going to use a dark blue to finish blending the black into the light blue on the sides. Now let's use our acrylic paint marker, and we have the white color. We're going to add a highlight on top. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
We're going to do it right on top of the black, and it's bright white. So you add a little circle on each eye. Now let's switch to our light purple paint marker, and what are we using this for?
The whiskers.
Yeah, let's draw it right on top and layer it. I'm going to start here, and we'll draw a curve coming out, and then we'll also draw another one right below it that's shorter, and I'm going to do the same on this side. Do you want to do that too?
Yeah.
And then on the other side. Perfect. And we did it. We finished drawing and coloring Bartleby. He turned out perfect. I especially love yours.
I love yours too.
Oh, thanks. And I also love that our two drawings don't look exactly the same. They both turn out awesome. The most important thing is
to have fun and practice.
Yeah.
And we hope you have a lot of fun drawing with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.
Bye.